Macele was giving Musamseleku's wives Makumalo, Mayeni, and Mangwabe an invitation card to be at her wedding. But Mayeni doesn't mean with her whole heart she wants to invite them. She was doing it for Musamseleku. That's why Mayeni said it's her wedding, so they have to enjoy at her wedding. Musamseleku doesn't understand sometimes his wives because they want to live happily wife. They are not comfortable to be with each other together. And Musamseleku's wives attend Macele's wedding and Mayeni's wedding. Macele doesn't being comfortable Musamseleku's wives to be at that wedding. That's why you saw Mayeni was crying at Macele's wedding. She was giving a speech. Macele asked why Mayeni she is crying. But Macele doesn't have a problem on Mayeni's wedding. We saw Macele and her family, they attend her wedding. But when it comes to Makumalo, Macele didn't attend Makumalo's wedding. I don't understand why she had Makumalo in such a way when she is not comfortable to saw her husband to renew vows with another woman. But Macele was okay about Mayeni. So Mayeni, I don't understand. She invited them to be at her wedding, or Musamseleku said they have to come at their wedding. Musamseleku is the one who have got polygamy is Tembo, not other wives. But Mangwabe and Makumalo, they don't have a problem. But when it comes to Makumalo's turn, now Makumalo have got Umembezo. Those wives, they don't attend Makumalo's umembe. So why Macele gave Makumalo an invitation card to be at her wedding, but Macele didn't attend Makumalo's wedding? Sometimes it was not fair. You know that it's better those wives to come through to Musamseleku. I think Mayeni, she doesn't pretend. Mayeni is not a pretender. Mayeni, if she is not comfortable on such a thing, Mayeni can talk. But Macele is a pretender sometimes. She pretend like she is okay with the situation. But at the time, she can change anytime. But Mayeni, that's why you saw people, they love Mayeni, because Mayeni is a real pure person. When she is not okay, she doesn't love that person. It's the way she is like Macele. Macele, you don't understand, can laugh with you, but tomorrow she can change. Like Mangwabe said that Macele is like a weather. Today she is okay, tomorrow can change on mood swings like that. So Makumalo was very shocked to saw Macele with her kids are not there at Makumalo's wedding, but Makumalo attend Macele's wedding. When she invited them, she was not say with her whole heart. That's why Mayeni said to Musamseleku, Macele is not okay to invite us to her house. It's not okay. She is comfortable with her friends, not us. We are not her friends. Musamseleku sometimes he want to force things, those wives to be united, but it can't happen because they are sharing a man. So Macele sometimes she looks like, when we saw Utando Nestembo season 1 to season 3, Macele was okay with other people. They agree everything together. But Macele started changing the statement at end of the season 3. You understand? So Macele, you don't understand here. When they agreed something with other wives, she can turn to something. When Macele invite those wives, she doesn't mean with her whole heart that she wants them. Macele was doing it for Musamseleku all the time. We saw her with them, but Macele came through with her feelings that she doesn't want to be with other wives. What to say it to Musamseleku, right? So Musamseleku sometimes he saw that they are not being comfortable to be with each other, especially to saw Makumalo Mangwabe, especially Makumalo and Mangwabe, because it's like maybe they want to take her husband. I don't understand. And when it comes to Mayeni doesn't have a challenge because Mayeni was the one who dated Musamseleku, so she doesn't have a choice when it comes to Mayeni.